What's up guys? So previously I reviewed one of the best OTC hearing aids out there, the LINNER Mars hearing aids. It was a 2-in-1 hearing aid, meaning it was a hearing aid as well as Bluetooth earbuds. But if you are looking for something more traditional, I would recommend going for these LINNER's Mercury hearing aids. Each hearing aid have multiple buttons on them, so you can physically control them. And they are also cheaper, $100 cheaper than LINNER's Mars hearing aid. And if you use the 20% off coupon code given in my video description, you should be able to buy them at around $240 from LINNER's official website. One more thing, these hearing aids belong to Receiver-in-canal or RIC for short category, so they are also good for severe hearing loss. LINNER's Mercury hearing aids had very good reviews as well. So for example, Soundly, a website that is all about hearing aids, and they considered these the best hearing aids under $300 categories. So overall, these also have really good reviews online. Unboxing wise, inside the box you get some documentation to get you started, a charging case with hearing aids inside them. You also get multiple ear tips and drones, and you get a type A to type C charging cable, and lastly you get a cleaning brush. Design wise, the case feels premium and is very comfortable to hold with its full round design. It has 3 different light indicators. Green means they are good, and if it is not green, that means the charging of that part, which can be left hearing aid or right hearing aid at the case, is not full. So for example, if I open this case up, you can see that the center light isn't on. It means that the charging case needs to be charged. It is not currently fully charged. Inside it, you see 2 very conventional looking hearing aids. I mean, they are conventional, but nothing about them is cheap in any way. You hold them, you feel solidity and premium quality materials all around. I ordered these in gold color, but you can also order them in ocean blue color if you would like to. Totally up to you. Let's talk about the button controls. So each hearing aid has a dedicated on-off button. Then you have the volume up and volume down button, which is a single button. You just press the top to increase the volume and press the down button to decrease the volume. There are 9 different volume levels, and you can adjust them as per your need. Then you have 3 different sound modes or amplification modes or hearing modes, and switch between each of these. You press a long press for 2 seconds, either the up or the down part of the volume control button, and then it will switch or cycle through the different modes. Now let's talk about the sound quality or sound amplification of these hearing aids. But before we talk about the sound amplification, I would like to tell you about their weight, because the weight carries a lot of importance, because you need to wear these for a number of hours. So I'm happy to say that these are extremely lightweight. I mean, they're so lightweight that I can easily forget about them after wearing them for 30 to 40 minutes. So using them for like 8 to 10 hours continuously should not be a problem for anybody. They're extremely lightweight. You don't even feel the weight on your ear. Now let's talk about the sound quality or the sound amplification of these hearing aids. The sound amplification, I would say, is extremely good. I mean, since these are in the the receiver goes directly inside the canal, ear canal, so it feels like the sound is being delivered directly inside your brain without you doing a lot of work. So it feels to me like my ears are doing less work than they are supposed to. It's kind of comforting even for me, a person who does not have a hearing loss. Also, the quality of that amplification, like the sound that is being delivered to your ear canal, is really good. Like, it's crisp, it's full, and by full I mean like it feels closer to the real sound instead of feeling like it is a robotically amplified sound. Feels closer to the real sound, and if there are multiple sounds, you can easily distinguish between different sound sources and tell that which source is producing this sound. I have turned on one of the hearing aids, so I'm sitting very close to it, like just my mouth is just 1 feet away. So this is the sound that you're hearing. These hearing aids have 3 different modes. The first mode is in which these put more focus on human voice reproduction, so they try to reproduce human voice more than other sounds. The second mode is in which the focus is more on the noise reduction, so that in other like background noises or environmental noises are suppressed. The third mode is high frequency sound filter. So when you are getting the whistling sound inside your ears, you can switch to the third mode, and it would or block out the high frequency sound so that there is no feedback or whistling sound. Now let's talk about the battery life. One single charge, each hearing aid can last you up to 20 hours of battery life, and if you combine them with the charging case, you get a total of 80 hours of battery life. So that's a lot of battery life. So you can charge them when you're sleeping, and once you get up, you can wear them all day and you don't have to worry about them. Now to conclude this video, here are my final thoughts. If you're looking for a conventional long-lasting OTC hearing aids on a budget, then these LINNER's Mercury hearing aids are one of the best out there. But if you have the money and you only have mild hearing loss, and or you are looking for a Bluetooth enabled low key hearing aid, then consider buying these LINNER's Mars hearing aid. And there you have it. I wouldn't mind recommending any of these to anyone out there. Just ensure that you are in the right use case. So if you have a severe hearing loss, you are on a budget, you are looking for something conventional, then go for LINNER's Mercury hearing aid. And if you have the money, you are looking for something smart, more compact, low key, and you only have mild hearing loss, then go for LINNER's Mars hearing aid. Also, don't forget to use the 20% off coupon code given in my video description to get the discount. Finally, let me know about your thoughts as well, and take great care of yourself. Bye.